Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
I hope everyone are doing good. In today's video, we are going to continue with the PDF automation or PDF use cases. So in part 1, I have shown few methods from PDF connector, like from close till extract images. So give the link in the description as well. And in the part 2 of PDF connector, I have explained an use case which is like how you can merge multiple PDF into a single PDF file. This video it's going to be a second use case on PDF, which is like how you can split your PDF which has multiple pages into different PDFs. Let's drag and drop the split method, and it doesn't have any output parameter or any configuration window. All it have is just the input parameter, which is output folder path. So here you have to provide the folder to store your splitted PDF file. So as you know, in order to use any other method, we have to use the load method first. So I'm going to use the load method wherein you have to provide your file path. In this case, I'm just going to use a single file path which I'm going to split into multiple PDF files. So let me use this file which is called sample3, and it totally has 20 pages in it, and now we should get each pages into a different PDFs. So let's quickly get the path, and we'll provide the path over here. And in case your file is password protected, make sure you provide your password over here in string. Let's give it over here. And now we should give the output folder path, for which I'm going to create a folder over here. So in the project folder, let me create like split. Let's run it now. Okay, this is completed, and you can see that we have 20 items, which is like in page 1, in the PDF 1 we have the first page, into the second page. Similarly, it has created 20 different PDFs with single pages, and also it will create the file name automatically based on the PDF pages. Now let's see how you can split multiple pages or a group of PDF files into single file. It is simple that you just have to loop through your files from a specific folder. So in this case, I'm going to use this method or the component which is called a directory, like the get files. And here you have to provide the directory path. So I'm going to use this PDF files, the folder PDF files, and inside this I have two different PDF files. So in the first one I have 30 different pages, and in the second I have 20 pages. So as a result, we should get 50 different PDF files. Let's provide the path. So if you want to test it, you can simply run this. So it will give us the two PDF files. Now we have the PDF file. What we have to do is we just have to loop through the list of PDF files, right? So use this component called for each, and I'm going to pass this list as a collection input. Then to this, instead of the file path, we have to load the current object, which is the single PDF file. Let's clear the log and run it again. Now let's check the folder. Okay, so now I see that file sample, which is from the file 1, I have all the 30 pages, and also the next 20 pages, which is from the second PDF file. And this is how you can split your file, either a single file or from a list of PDF files. I hope you guys find this video useful. In case, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to create any specific use cases, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.